welcome back. So my name's Eleanor. I am the Byron Interiors team leader at Carter Grange, and I have been working here for 7 years now. What's unique about Bambra Road is the scale of the project. So the floor plan is quite large, and the client gave us quite a bit of flexibility and really took on our guidance of suggestions, like including a separate study, a formal lounge downstairs, and we were able to fit in a walk-in robe and an ensuite to each bedroom as well. One of my favourite features at Bambra Road is the dark laminate panelling to the wall below the staircase. It meant we could conceal an understair storage door, add some wine racking to the understair storage, and the dark colour of the laminate actually tied back in with the dark entry door, which is just nearby. Bambra's look and overall feel is quite modern and striking. What made Bambra Road feel really elevated in its design was the consistency of black accents, which created a modern feel, but then we actually changed it up in the powder room and introduced brushed gold, so that had a bit of a point of difference and stood out as a feature. Although there are a lot of striking features at Bambra, there were some areas we wanted to tone it back. So the tile selection's quite simple, but we upgraded and added floor-to-ceiling tiles on all walls to really elevate the look. And the paint selection, we stuck with one colour to the walls, ceilings, doors and skirtings. So it's quite simple, but again, it gives space to the home. I think one of the best parts of building with Carter Grange is that we have an interior design service included, and it's a really exciting part to be involved with, working with clients to bring their dream home together and laying out the colours and materials, and then actually seeing the final project and it's built and it's come together is really exciting.